This is the best Binance referral code video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Binance is the #1 trusted crypto exchange in the world. Your first crypto journey with Binance Exchange should be started with a special referral code. Probably you came here after seeing the referral ID option. Tap on yes and must enter this unique referral ID IR7M1LP9. Then tap on next. By using the referral code, you will unlock multiple benefits. First of all, as soon as you open the account and verify your identity, you will get up to $600 welcome bonus, which will initially help you to pay the trading fee. Also, you will get up to 45% rebate of the trading fee you pay to Binance while trading for lifetime. Now you verify the account with your government identity like passport, driving license, etc. The verification process will take a few hours to complete. Then you can start your trading journey. Thank you.